Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Apple Watch Series 4. The Apple Watch is a line of smartwatches designed, developed and marketed by Apple Incorporated. It incorporates fitness tracking and health-oriented capabilities integrated with iOS and other Apple products and services as well. Apple Watch relies on a wireless connection to an iPhone to perform many of its default functions, such as calling and texting. However, Wi-Fi chips in all Apple Watch models allow the smartwatch to have limited connectivity features away from the phone anywhere. A Wi-Fi network is available. Series 3 LTE Apple Watches are able to be used without needing to be constantly connected to an iPhone. On iPhone is still required to set up the device. Most Apple Watches that are currently produced require an iPhone 5S or later with iOS 11. The Series 3 and the later LTE models require an iPhone 6 or later with iOS 11 or later. The Apple Watch was released, the first Apple Watch, 24th of 2015 and quickly became the best-selling wearable device with 4.2 million sold in the second quarter of the 2015. That is awesome. And I am using now the Apple Watch Series 4. It announced on September 12th, 2018, with the Apple Watch Series 1 is no longer being produced. And here it is, the product of an Apple Watch Series 4. All new for a better you. Yes, this is a fundamentally redesigned and re-engineered watch, which will help you stay even more active, healthy, and connected. Of course, not just evolved, it is transformed. All new, the largest Apple Watch displayed yet, new electrical heart sensor, re-engineered digital crown with haptic feedback, entirely familiar, yet completely new. Apple Watch Series 4 resets the standards for what a watch can be. And this is really nice. I tried it and I love it. Part guardian, part guru, proactive health monitor, ECG on a wrist, low and high heart rate notifications, fall detection, and emergency SOS. New breath watch faces. It's designed to improve our health every day and powerful enough to help protecting it. And the ultimate workout partner on your wrist. Workouts that work harder. Automatic workout detection. New yoga and hiking workouts. Advanced features for runners like cadence and pace alerts. See up to all your things you are going to be and workout. Yeah. And it is a partner every day for you. It comprehensive activity tracker made to motivate. New head-to-head competitions, activity sharing with friends, personalized coaching, monthly challenges, achievement awards. That will get you all the motivation you will need close your activities runs every day. Easy way to connect, the freedom of cellular. My has no cellular on board, but you can use a walkie-talkie, phone calls and message too if it is connected to your iPhone. But the other version with cellular is able to do this at its own. New ways to use Siri. Built-in cellular lets you do all on your watch, even while you're away from your phone. And you have This all on your wrist. It is awesome, and it's easy to get a new band on it. Replace your band. It gives there are so many different bands you can wear, you can use, and it's easy to replace them. And it has a high quality. It has a nice shape, nice force feedback function on top, digital crown, nice LCD screen, really nice. It has a nice design. The design not just evolved, it is really transformed. It is a fundamental redesigned and re-engineered in Apple Watch family. From the curved corners of the larger all-new display to the architecture of the S4 chip, every detail has been fully considered. Apple Watch has always been a unique personally product, and how it is I will show you in this video. The largest Apple Watch display yet. This is huge. The display is a definite feature, and Series 4 pushed it further than ever. The challenge was to make it bigger without noticeably increasing the size of the case or compromise the battery life. Narrows border enabled viewing areas at over 30% larger, while a new display technology called LTPO improves power efficiency, helping us to get through the day on a single charge. And I tried it a couple of days, and that is right. A better experience all the way around. Curved corners precisely match the radius of the case, creating a more pleasing, continuous appearance. This allows imagery and the touch surface to extend to the farther reach of the screen. Wow, I like it. The digital crown, a breakthrough reborn, was invented to provide an easy way to navigate on Apple Watch without obstructing the display. With Apple Watch, the mechanism has been totally re-engineered. Haptic feedback now delivers a precise click-like feel as you scroll, and the titanium electrode built in to the top allows you to use the ECG app simply by touching it with your fingers. But this is only available in America. In Europe, it is only possible if you buy your Apple Watch Series 4 in America, make a setup in America, and then go to Europe. And after that, you can use it too. A miracle of miniaturism. Already one of the most intricate system Apple has created, the digital crown on Apple Watch Series 4. It adds even more compatibility into significantly less space. The entire assembly in 30% smaller, yet it included 21% more components. Wow, awesome. 2 sensors, a pair of eyes on your heart. It has an electrical heart sensor at the backside, a digital crown electrode, and the black crystal electrode on the center. And of course, an optical heart sensor. But take care, the digital crown electrode and the crystal electrode, the back crystal electrode, is only available in America. Yet. Maybe later in Europe too. The biggest thing happens in the smallest spaces, and this is really awesome. Optimized in every way. And I think the new S4 chip is really fast. It is more than just a processor, it's a complete system and package SIP with the entire system fabricated onto a single component. This architecture allows the Apple Watch to pack amazing capabilities into a tiny space. In fact, the Apple Watch is only product in the world that runs completely on a SIP. Up to 2 times faster, 50% louder speaker built in, a micro and a speaker is there. Oh, this is nice, really nice. Hey, awesome. And of course, the health components. It is a part garden and a part guru. And it will give you an ECG on your wrist anytime, anywhere. Apple Watch Series 3 is capable of generating an ECG similar to a single lead electrocardiogram. It's a momentous achievement for a wearable device that can provide critical data for doctors and peace of mind for you. Your fingers can tell you a lot about your heart. Only press a digital crown electrode, and your back crystal electrodes will do the rest of it. And after that, you are able to get a right and good information about your heart. Really nice, but only not in Germany, not in Europe. Oh, this is not so nice, really nice. You have a good workout partner with this watch because you can make so much sport with it, ready for whatever moves you. Boxing, outdoor cycling, everything is possible. And automatic workout detection enabled. Connected gym, everything. Sweet. Surf and swim because it's waterproof, 50 meters. And weather condition, music, workouts, heart rate, everything on your device. That is easy and active for you. Apple Watch Series 4 made to motivate. Wow, it will motivate by using the app, and this will get you a competition with your friends, or do this with Facebook friends or Instagram, for example. Your heart will give you some milestones and the 3 rings. 3 rings, 1 goal. I think it's awesome. You can have a ring for move, for exercise, and for stand. And this will makes you better. And every move takes you forward. The connectivity here is the freedom of cellular. That means you can take a call from the trail, check it with a buddy or walkie-talkie, keep your workouts going by streaming Apple Music, or raise your wrist and ask Siri to order your usual. Apple Watch Series 3 with cellular makes it easy to stay connected to the people and information you care about most, even when you don't have your phone. But this is only with cellular options. The other options are only available if your Apple iPhone is at the scene. Emergency SES, influence on your wrist. Say hello to Walkie-Talkie. Or Walkie-Talkie is not a kill application. If you need it, Siri is on. Siri awesome. Listen to what you love. That is the apps inside you can all use. I am going to like it really much, and I hope you will like it too. A lot of apps are available at the App Store. A view with more room. You can use a large display to navigate. You can use the display for stay in the know, respond in the now. You can make some informations. You can do everything what you like with this watch, and it's all of around your wrist, and you can use it by touching, use it by doing it easy as well. It is a nice and tiny product. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Awesome.